Hey, what's up, everybody? I am back with yet another unboxing. Today, this is a t-shirt unboxing. This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, by the way. I want to say this shipped from Germany. It says Deutsche Post. I can't remember the exact one, but I ordered this off Etsy.com. This is part of my first ever Etsy order. I ordered 3 shirts from 3 different sellers. Unfortunately, one of them got canceled, but I got 2 coming. So this is something I've been wanting for a long time. So I won't spoil what the other shirt was. Well, the one that got canceled was a Mars Attack shirt. But YOLO, I got refunded for it, so it's okay. Oh my god. That Deutsch plastic is... I'm trying not to rip my shirt. Got my box cutter. So, you're going to see this in its entirety before I do. This is Straight Edge, Poison Free, XXX, and a homicidal hockey masked individual is right there. Looks like Jason Voorhees. So, first of all, I'm a big fan of dual meaning shirts, or dual. Dual is just 2, right? But if there's a shirt that means more than one thing, I love that. I love that. So this, first, I love horror movies. Friday the 13th is arguably my favorite horror movie. It's a toss-up like Psycho, Dawn of the Dead. I love, love, love Friday the 13th. I love the series. It's phenomenal. Jason is incredible. So that's the first meaning. The other meaning is straight edge. So I identify as straight edge. Drug and alcohol free. Unfortunately not since birth, but for 20 years I've been drug and alcohol free. Now I still take ibuprofen or naproxen and cold medicine or whatever when I need it, but it's all about not abusing things. I have not had alcohol for 20 years. I'm 34. Maybe so 19, 20 years, something like that. I was 14 or 15 the last time I had alcohol. I'm not preachy. It's just, that's me. So, Straight Edge came from the punk rock band Minor Threat, and they had a pretty cool song. You should look into it if you want. If you want to slide up in my DMs and talk about being straight edge, or if you're having, addiction issues or what have you, feel free to chat with me. I am an open ear and I don't judge people. But I'm straight edge. This is my first straight edge shirt. This is like my 5th or 6th Jason shirt. I can't wait to rock this. I can't wait till everything's back to normal, hopefully, and can wear all my cool graphic tees. But I have a ton of graphic tees. Tons and tons of them, but this one means a lot to me. Yeah. If someone wants to know more about straight edge, they'll see it and they'll be like, what the hell is straight edge? And I'm happy to tell them. Yeah. This sums me up big time. I want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and once again, feel free to message me if you need help. Just need someone to talk to. It's definitely not religious in any way, context, or anything like that, so don't feel like that's about to happen. Definitely not that. Thanks so much. Wish you the best, and